for me. What I could not fix, God did it for me. It changed for me. It changed for me. I am standing here as a testimony. When I praise, it changed. When I praise, it changed. Every closed door. When I praise, it changed. When I praise, it changed. Yeah. It changed for me. Today, it changed for me. It changed for me. It changed for me. Heavy tonight, it changed for me. It changed for me. Say it again, it changed for me. It changed for me. Don't stop now. It changed for me. Lift it up. It changed for me. DJ Jerryman, don't dull him. Let the sound go higher. Because when praise goes up, everything responds. Say it one more time. It changed for me. It changed for me. It changed for me. It changed for me.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. You came through for me again is the title for this one. I will so much appreciate your like, your share, your comment on the platform. And if you are just joining, kindly follow the account. God bless you so that you won't miss out on the other subsequent live show.
She chose to stand, she chose to speak for such a time. She did not retreat. Favor spoke when she walked in. What could have ended her turned to victory. You came through for me. You came through for me in the moment of fear. You came through for me like the blind man on the road, calling your name. People tried to silence his cry, but he cried louder. He would not stop. You stood still and called him up. Eyes were opened, light came in. What was once darkness could see again. You came through for me. You came through for me. When I cried out loud, you came through for me. When I cried out, you heard my voice. You came through for me. When I gave up, you held me close. You came through for me. When I was confused, you showed the way. You came through for me. You came through for me. You came through for me. I'm standing here. You came through for me. No more fear. You came through for me. Now I believe. You came through for me. I receive. You came through for me. I am free. Say it again. You came through for me. Say it again. You not stop now. You came through for me. Higher now. You came through for me. Louder now. You came through for me. DJ Jerryman, keep it moving. Let the sound reach heaven. Because when I had no voice, me when I had no strength. You stood for me. You came through 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 for me. From my past, you came through for me. To my present, you came through for me. To my future, you came through for me. Forevermore, you came through for me. Say it again. You came through for me. Say it again. You came through for me. Say it again. Everybody now, you came through for me. Let it rise. You came through for me. You came through for me. You came through for me. You brought me out.
You Brought Me Out is the title for this one. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. It's another moment of praise. Let's give Jehovah the groove he deserves.